Welcome to SJIS. In this video, we will go over the Education Management System, EMS for short, by covering everything you need to know about it. The EMS is important in many ways during our studies in SJIS. It provides functionality to check results, check homework for the day, and inform the school that you are sick and will be absent. To access the EMS, head over to sjis.edu.my and click SJIS Education Management System on the top right. You'll be brought to a page with a green background. You will need to enter your username and password on the right. Your username will always start with SJIS and followed by a 4-digit number. For example, SJIS 1234. For the first time you log in, your password will be the same as your username, but take note, it is in all caps. So SJIS 1234 in all caps. To access your parent's account, add a P behind the username as well as the password. Click login. To change your password, go to the top of the home page and click change password. You have to enter your old password and then new password. Confirm it, click update. To log out, click the logout button on the top. Under dashboard, there will be one link, student dashboard. Here you can see your class timetable, your monthly and yearly attendance, and as well as your exam mark analysis. You can do so by clicking your exam you just took.
Under the master section, there is only one subsection, which is school. Under the school, there is a link to take you to the academic calendar report. The academic calendar report lets you see the annual overall schedule for the school. It will show important school events, holidays, and exams. In this page, let's select the course. For instance, lower secondary, and the year, which I'm going to select 2018. Then press the execute button, and the academic calendar will be displayed. This is the academic calendar for the year 2018, which is this year. Under the student section, there are 3 links. The first one is the student profile. It takes you to a page where your personal information is displayed, ranging from your name, address, house number, etc. It is recommended to not share your personal information with anyone, so we are keeping this page hidden. The second one, permission or excursion approval. It brings you to a page where events are recorded. This page is to verify your attendance in excursions or extra classes. Let's press on the page. In this page, to approve that you are attending an event, click on the event and press the button in the right corner. Here it will say approval button. Rejecting an event requires the same steps, but instead you click on the reject button, which is beside the approval button. Finally is the student disciplinary point account report. It displays a student's recorded undisciplined behavior. Under the academic section, there are 6 links. We are going to go over them briefly. Okay, the first link, scheme of work, lets you view the study plan of a subject. Simply click on a subject and the teacher's plan will display, where you can see what the teacher is going to teach you on the day. This is useful to study in advance.
The scheme of work is also useful for people who were absent on a day and want to catch up on their lessons. And it is also useful for parents who want to know what their children are learning.
Let me show you how it really works. From here, just as I said, click on the subject and the teacher's plan will be displayed. Okay, to the second one, is the weekly lesson plan.
The weekly lesson plans allow students to view a more detailed syllabus of the lesson in a week. The scheme of work for extra class and lesson plan for extra class are the same as the scheme of work and weekly lesson plan, but only concerning extra classes.
The assignment note is to let you view the assignments given by teachers. Assignments are given out before every exam. You can check this page in case you forgot what your assignment is or you forget the criteria of the assignment. The last link is the homework. It lets you check homework given by teachers.
Under attendance, there is student leave requests. This page is to inform the school that you are unable to come to school on a day or during a time period. This can only be done on the parent's account as fake absentees might occur. Click on that. Just fill in the details of your leave and submit it. The time can be left ignored if a student is taking leave for several days or weeks. Student timetable report is another way of viewing your timetable. Just wait for this page to load and you will be able to see your timetable. The student monthly attendance report and the student subject attendance report are not important now. So let us move on to the next section, exam. Under exam, there is pre-exam. In exam timetable, you'll be able to view your time schedule of the exam. When are the exams and break during exam week? Press view. Under post-exam, there is student progress report. This lets you view your marks in a specific exam. Fill in your class, term, and examination. Then click execute. Your exam marks will be displayed, as well as your ranking and your average. Under CIE exam, there is one link, Exam Analysis Summary. This page is to check the statistics of the school results. For example, how many students pass in the exam, find out the maximum and minimum marks in an exam, and so on. The ECA CCA lets you view about information about your sports and clubs, like your attendance, scheme of work, and so on. It would be best for you to figure out this part, so we will not go over them. The prefect function is only accessible to prefects. Under communication, there is only one link, school feedbacks, where parents can write a suggestion or feedback to the school. Suggestions can be only submitted through the parent's account. Under evaluation, there is teacher evaluation. The school will go over this in the future. Teacher evaluation takes place twice a year. We will not go over this as the vice principal will go over how to use it.